Tesla's AI just hit a major breakthrough, and this time, it's not just a theory, it's happening. Elon Musk has confirmed that unsupervised full self-driving will hit the streets this year. No driver, no human intervention, just AI in control. But here's the real question. Is the world ready for it? This could be Tesla's biggest moment in history, or the start of its biggest challenge yet. Because while the technology is ready, regulators might not be. And that's just the beginning. In this video, we're breaking down Tesla's latest AI update, the hidden obstacles that could slow it down, and what this means for the future of driving. Stick around, because what Tesla is planning next will change everything. Tesla's AI breakthrough. For years, skeptics called Tesla's full self-driving nothing more than hype. But now, it's becoming undeniable. Right now, thousands of Teslas are driving themselves, logging millions of miles without a human behind the wheel. And Elon Musk has just confirmed that this is only the beginning. Tesla's unsupervised AI is already being tested in select US cities, and by the end of this year, it's expected to roll out in most major markets. If this happens, it will be one of the biggest milestones in Tesla's history, possibly even bigger than the launch of the Model S. But there's a problem. Just because the technology is ready doesn't mean it will be allowed, and that's where things get complicated, because this AI revolution might be stopped before it even begins. And the reason why might surprise you. The biggest roadblock, Tesla's full self-driving, has reached a point where it can drive itself better than most humans. But the real challenge isn't the technology, it's the law. Right now, Tesla's biggest fight isn't happening on the streets. It's happening in courtrooms and regulatory offices across the US and beyond. And despite Elon Musk's confidence that unsupervised FSD will roll out this year, lawmakers are dragging their feet on approving it. The biggest holdout? California. This is Tesla's home state and one of its most important markets, yet regulators there are still reluctant to allow fully autonomous Teslas on public roads. The same is happening in other key US states and even in major global markets like Europe and China. But here's the frustrating part. The data proves Tesla's AI is safer than human drivers. Tesla's FSD cars record one crash per 5.94 million miles. Compare that to the US average, one crash every 0.7 million miles. That means Tesla's self-driving AI is nearly 9 times safer than a human driver. And Tesla isn't just talking about safety, they're backing it up with real incentives. The more you use FSD, the bigger your discount. Why? Because Tesla knows their AI is safer than a human. So if the technology is ready, why is it still facing so much pushback? The reason is simple: fear. Elon Musk has pointed out that self-driving cars are held to an impossible standard. Every day, thousands of human-caused accidents happen without making the news. But if an autonomous Tesla even makes a minor mistake, it's a global headline. Tesla isn't waiting around for permission. They have a backup plan already in motion, one that bypasses regulations entirely and could make Tesla's robotaxi fleet a reality much sooner than expected. And this next move is going to change everything. Tesla's secret weapon. Tesla isn't just trying to put full self-driving in your car. They're planning something bigger, a move that could change the entire transportation industry. Instead of waiting for regulators to approve FSD for personal use, Tesla is taking a different approach. This is the start of Tesla's robotaxi network. Here's how it works. For the first time, Tesla will offer fully driverless rides. No safety driver, no supervision. Just AI in control. And here's the real game changer: this won't be limited to Tesla-owned vehicles. Anyone with a Tesla will be able to join the fleet. For years, companies like Uber and Lyft have dominated the market. But Tesla is about to cut out the middleman. No drivers, no commissions, just fully autonomous Teslas picking up and dropping off passengers 24/7. This could turn Tesla into the largest ride-hailing company in the world, without owning a single driver-dependent vehicle. And it's not just Tesla that wins. Owners could turn their cars into passive income machines, paying off their Tesla just by letting it work for them. But here's the real kicker. This is just the beginning. If Tesla successfully rolls this out in Austin, it could quickly expand across the US and beyond. And when that happens, the transportation industry as we know it will never be the same. The backlash. Who wants Tesla to fail? Not everyone is celebrating Tesla's self-driving revolution. In fact, some industries see it as a direct threat to their survival. Because if Tesla succeeds in rolling out fully autonomous robotaxis, billions of dollars are at stake. And some of the biggest players in transportation, insurance, and even the auto industry are fighting back. Let's start with the traditional automakers: Ford, GM, Toyota, and every other car company that's built their business model around selling cars to drivers. Tesla's AI-driven vehicles don't just compete with their cars, they make them obsolete. A Tesla owner could buy one car and never need another, because instead of sitting in a garage, their vehicle could be making them money as a robo-taxi. If Tesla's plan works, traditional automakers might be too late to catch up. Then there's the insurance industry. Tesla's AI is already proving to be safer than human drivers. The numbers don't lie. FSD vehicles crash 9 times less often than the average human-driven car. And when accidents go down, insurance profits shrink. Right now, insurance companies make billions from covering accident claims. If Tesla's AI eliminates the majority of crashes, the entire insurance model collapses. Tesla is already offering lower-cost insurance for drivers who use FSD, which means traditional insurers are in trouble. And then there's Uber and Lyft. These companies rely on human drivers, but Tesla's robo-taxis don't need them. If Tesla launches an autonomous ride-hailing fleet, Uber and Lyft could be wiped out overnight. So, what are these industries doing to stop Tesla? Behind the scenes, lobbyists are working overtime to slow down FSD approvals. Lawsuits are being filed. Regulators are being pressured to delay Tesla's expansion. But Tesla isn't backing down. In fact, Elon Musk just made a bold move that could silence the doubters once and for all. And it's happening right now. Tesla's massive AI training loop. Tesla's AI isn't just improving, it's learning at a speed no other company can match. Right now, Tesla's full self-driving has logged over 3 billion miles, and that number is growing every single day. Every turn, every stop, every unpredictable moment. It's all being recorded and fed back into Tesla's neural network. This means Tesla's AI doesn't just learn from its own mistakes, it learns from millions of real-world driving situations. And that's what makes Tesla's self-driving AI unstoppable. Even in places where Tesla can't legally collect driving data, they've found a way to keep training. China, for example, has strict laws preventing Tesla from sending vehicle data back to the US for AI training. But instead of giving up, Tesla built a fully simulated training ground for Chinese traffic laws. That means Tesla's AI is learning how to drive in China, without ever physically being there. And here's why this matters. The more cars Tesla sells, the more real-world data its AI absorbs. The more data it has, the smarter FSD becomes. And the smarter it gets, the faster regulators will have to accept that self-driving is the future. So, when will you be able to sit back, relax, and let your Tesla drive you anywhere? Well, it's happening sooner than you think. The future. What happens next? Everything we've talked about is leading up to one thing: a world where Tesla's AI drives better than any human. And that world is coming sooner than most people think. By the end of this year, Tesla's first fully driverless vehicles will start hitting the roads. In 2026, Tesla is set to launch Cybercab, a purpose-built robo-taxi designed from the ground up to be fully autonomous. This could be the moment when human drivers start becoming a thing of the past. If all goes according to plan, by 2026, getting into a human-driven car might feel as outdated as using a flip phone. But what do you think? Would you trust Tesla's AI to drive for you? Drop a yes or no in the comments below. Tesla is moving faster than anyone expected. The AI revolution is happening right now. The question is, are we ready? The next 12 months could be Tesla's biggest year ever, and if you don't want to miss what happens next, make sure to subscribe. And let me know, would you let an AI drive you around with no one in the front seat? Let's talk in the comments.